Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our dot programming language course. I hope you all are fine. Our previous tutorial was about relational operators. Now in today's tutorial we will see logical operators and type test operators, right? First of all, we will see logical operators. There are three types of logical operators: and, or, not, right? First of all, let me see and. Return true if all conditions are true, right? In our case, return true if one of the conditions is true. Last one is not. Return false if the result is true and vice versa. Let me open VS Code and show you practically. As you know, dot program always start with a main function. Here inside curly braces, let me add comment logical operators, right? First of all, let me declare two variables, age 25, 24 and marks 700. Now we will check here logical operators, right? Let me show you something. If I use logical operator and between true and true, right? Basically we use this operator between conditions, two conditions, right? Here we will write our condition. If both conditions are true, right, then its result will be true, otherwise the result will be false. Let me test it. Here you can see if both conditions are true, then result is true. If any one condition is false, then result will be false, right? Here you can see. Now let me add conditions instead of boolean. For example, here I write, for example, age greater than 22 and marks greater than 600. Here you can see result is true because both conditions are true, right? If both conditions are true, then result will be true in case of AND logical operator. This is the use of AND operator. If I change the value, one value to 21, in this case this condition will become false, right? If one of the conditions become false, then AND operator will show result as false. Let us see. Here you can see the output, right? This is the use of logical AND operator, right? Now we will use OR operator instead of AND. Let me show you OR operator, right? OR operator mean if one of the condition is true, then result will be true, right? Here in this case it will also show result true, right? Here you can see result is true because this condition is true, right? If I change the value to 500, then both conditions will become false, and in this case the answer will be false, right? Because both conditions are false. If any one condition is true, then result will be true. So here you can see and return true if all conditions are true. In our case, return true if one of the conditions is true. If any one condition is true, then result will be true. Last one is not, right? Not is used to reverse the value of any boolean. Here for example I have a boolean true. If I use not here, it will reverse the condition of this boolean. It will show result as false. Here you can see it is showing the result as false because this is used to reverse the value of any boolean. For example, here I write any condition in bracket, age is greater than 20. If you see age is greater than 20, this condition is true, but here you can see not. It will reverse its value, the output will be false. Here you can see output is false because not operator used to reverse the value of any boolean. If I remove it, then answer will be true because this condition is true. I hope you got the use of logical operators. Now we will see type test operators. Basically there are two type test operators, is and is not, right? Let me show you practically type test operators. For example, I have a string my str, its value is hello, and there is another variable a, its value is 10. Now I will use type test operators here. Basically type test operators are used to check the type of any variable. Here print my string is string. It will check if the type of this variable is string or not. Here you can see the output as true because type of this variable is string. If I use here integer, now this time it will show false because my str is a string, right, not integer. That is why it is showing false. Here if I use print a is integer, it will show us if a is integer or not. Here true because a is an integer. If I use here string, no, it will show false because a is not string, right? This is the use of is operator, right? Second one is not. If I use here, for example, my str is integer. If I use here not, is not integer, no, it will show true because string is not integer, right? And if I use here not, this time it will show true. Here you can see true. My string is not integer. Yes, this is not integer. A is not string. Yes, A is not string. A is integer. I hope you got everything about logical operators and type test operators. If you have any question, you can ask in comment box. If you have any suggestion related to our channel, you can also type in comment box. Okay, thanks.